Welcome to the 2025 Vibroacoustic Therapy Masterclass. I'm Narissa Young, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with engineer and musician Don Corrieri. Hi, Don.
Hello, everyone.
Well, people want to know more about how you came to this work. So, what led you from the audio, the engineering world into where we are now with vibroacoustic therapy?
Yeah, so I've been very much a fan of natural wellness for as long as I can remember. And part of that journey has been experimenting with different devices from wearables to all kinds of sort of biohacking devices. And one thing that I found was the biomat. And so the biomat is a full body mat that has far infrared heat. And it's the same sort of infrared light that you're going to find in infrared saunas. There's a lot of good research behind that, and I was using that and enjoying that. And then I discovered that that same company, they're called Richway, had a product or has a product called the Bioacoustic Mat. And it pairs perfectly with the biomat, fits right underneath it. It's the same sort of size and form and all. And it's a VAT device. So it has one large transducer, and then it has built-in programs for stress, for sleep, etc. And it has a line input. So I was using those two together, and that was right when I sort of started my journey several years ago, going deep into sound healing. And so I started in Pro Tools, learning about different frequencies and, experimenting with that. And that's when you and I met, Narissa, and, you were really supportive, but you said, you might want to get a little bit of training in that. And
As I
so
do.
that's what piqued my interest in getting the vibroacoustictherapy.com certification. So that was my entry into all this.
Yeah, I love how it happened. It was so organic. We just on Facebook. I was like, oh, there's an interesting person. Let's see.
That's right. Yeah, it was really
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah,
You've
and
been so
here we are,
supportive.
right? You did the
Yeah,
vibroacoustic therapy certification with Kate Kunkel,
that's right.
and now a couple of years ago, right?
Yeah, it's been 2 or 3 years now.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. And so, as a part of your own self-care, how often do you use Vibra? I know you're traveling right now, so you probably don't have a device with you there.
Yeah, I'm at my mom's place in Florida right now, so I wasn't able to bring anything with me. But as far as my self-care, so I've been testing and developing these vibroacoustic sound baths and also meditations and various pure vat tones. So I've literally spent hours a day for a couple years now on my table. So I don't really go back to that for a purposeful self-care. But I built or I constructed a pillow, a sort of cushion, and I'm going to talk more in depth about exactly how to make that and so forth.
Great.
And yeah, the best part about it is it fits right on my sofa. So it's really convenient. At the end of the night, you go to decompress, to read or watch TV, and it's right there. So you remember to do it. And I have it really so it just blends with the sofa. I have the amp and the wiring under there so you don't
Yeah.
see anything. So it makes it really convenient and you can remember to do it. So that's what I've been doing for my self-care with that. It's
Yeah.
been really
And
cool.
it's perfect. I think a small device is very handy. I do expect to see more small devices rolling out as the next year progresses because it's true, not everyone will have the resources to purchase a full sound table or lounge, or they might just want something in another room, like you're doing with the pillow.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You don't have the space for it. And
Yeah.
and also sometimes you forget to do it or it's, oh, I got to go up there and lay. It's a whole thing. Where if it's right on your sofa, you're like, oh, why not? It's right here. It feels good. So yeah.
Yeah, and I love that you started with the Rich Way mat and the far infrared too. It's quite complementary to so many therapies. But if you can get the body nice and relaxed before the track even starts, I mean that's brilliant.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
still use them. They're core. The biomats are a core part of my offerings where even for private sound healing, I have them on the massage tables and the clients love them.
Yeah, yeah. Anything we can do to help clients go deeper, I'm a big fan of that. Breath work,
Mhm.
um, meditation, voice work, humming, anything like that, then makes the Pure Vat even more powerful. They're more receptive by the
Yeah.
time it starts.